She was old and neglected, so we cut her to bare holes and built her up from the ground with our blood, sweat and tears.
So follow our journey as we plan to sail her to new destinations and make lasting memories. Just a big up to Amazing Plastics for giving us a section of polycarb for the experiment you guys are about to watch. So hey everyone, so we've had a lot of questions about the polycarb door that we built, that we said it was bulletproof, and so that's what we're here today. We actually had one of the shooting ranges in South Africa, it's an indoor range, and we're going to attempt to shoot the piece of polycarb that's there. So what we're doing is we're setting it up quickly, trying to establish the most controlled environment that we can to avoid anyone getting hurt while we're doing it. Please do not try this at home at any time. We'll be shooting with the 9mm caliber. Won't be showing any specs of the firearm that we're shooting, just to keep the firearm and the bullets out of the picture. But I will say one is a full metal jacket, the other one is a hollow point, and then we're shooting it out of CZ Duty PO7. We set up, we'll go show you what the setup looks like, and then we'll come back here and then we'll fire some rounds at it and see what happens. So we've got Quentin, he's busy setting up the target for us, and he's actually the designated range officer. Yeah. And so just helps to have all the safeties in place. It's essential that whenever you're doing anything with a firearm, have the correct guys there. So that's how we've set it up. We masked it down. We're going to take some shots at it and see if it can avoid going through. The hollow points, I highly doubt we're going to get penetration with it. I think it might crack it, but I don't think it will go through. The full metal jacket might be a different story. So let's check it out. Right through, eh? Yeah, I mean right through. I know it's in it. Stop in it. The point of view to
So Quentin's quickly gone and got us a 45, and we're going to shoot through the polycarb with the 45 and we'll see how that goes.
That's the size of the caliber, 45, 9mm, .22, and that's CCI Stinger. So most of these are the highest velocity rounds that we could find, and we did shoot it also with the 9mm FMJ full metal jacket. That's a .22 CCI. That over there is the 9mm full metal jacket. Here's the 9mm hollow point. And here, surprisingly, is the 45. Surprisingly, the 45 didn't go through, but it made the biggest point of impact, the biggest distortion on the back, definitely by far. Much slower projectile, but a lot more energy. So surprisingly, the bigger the surface area of the bullet that impacts into this, it has a chance of stopping it. It would probably be, I think any high caliber rifle will actually go through this. I think velocity is the biggest downside to these panels. As you can see, the 9mm, that's a lot faster. It went right through. 45s didn't, and I think the .22 just didn't have enough energy to carry through. So we managed to recover one of the projectiles, and it's from the 45 ACP. And as you can see, that it definitely absorbed all the energy. And you can, if I lay it on here, look at that. It's a perfect seating on it. Look at that, right there. Big thanks to the guys out here in the shooting range, Quentin, that helped us out.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe below if you want to check out the rest of our videos and follow our journey along with us. Whoop your polycarbonate. Whoop your polycarbonate. If you would also like to join our awesome Patreon family, a link is provided in the description below.